students, welcome back in our online class. Myself Deepali Thakur, working in KK English School, Saraswati Nagar, Nasik. Today we are going to learn standard first English Bal Bharti, topic number 3.2, Jungle Safari. Jungle means forest and safari means tree. So this lesson is given in your textbook page number 24. So let's see this lesson. See children, now you can see these animals pictures in your textbook. So let's see these animals one by one. What is this? Yes, this is a honeybee. Honey. Honey. B-E-E-B. Now next animal. Which is this animal? Yes, this is a monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Next animal is rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Next one is tortoise. T-O-R-T-O-R-S-E. Tortoise. Now next animal. This is a butterfly. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. This is a bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Next one is deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. Next one is tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Now next one is housefly. What is the spelling of housefly? H-O-U-S-E. House. F-L-Y. Fly. House. Fly. Next one is ant. What is the spelling of ant? A-N-T. Ant. Next one is lion. What is the spelling of lion? L-I-O-N. Lion. Now next animal. This is a snake. S-N-A-K-E. Snake. Now next one. Elephant. What is the spelling of elephant? Yes, right. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Now next one is squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-R-E-L. Squirrel. Now next animal. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Now this is the last animal. Yes. Which animal is this? This is a peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K. Peacock. Now students, we will solve the exercise. Okay? So first exercise, spot the animals whose name ends with given sound. Okay? First one is the sound yell. So we will find which animal's name ends with sound yell. Yes, right. First one is squirrel and second one is camel. Then we will write here squirrel. Squirrel and camel. These two animals' name end with sound yell. Now second number, the sound T. So let's find which animal's name ends with sound T. Yes, right. First one is elephant. Then ant. A-N-T. Ant. And third one is rabbit. These three animals' name end with sound T. So write down here elephant, ant, and rabbit. Okay, now next question. Now we have to find out the animal's name whose names end with the sound K. So find out from these animals. Yes, right. Peacock. Okay, so here only one animal name end with sound K, and that is peacock. So write down here students, we will solve exercise number 2. Here we have to spot the animals whose name begins with. Okay. So first we have to find out the animals name which is begin with letter B. So let's find which animal's name begin with B. Yes, first is butterfly and second one is bear. So write down here butterfly. First one is butterfly and second one is bear. These two animals name begin with B. Now second number, here we have to find out the animal's name begin with the letter T. So let's find which animal's name begin with letter T. Yes, right. First one is tortoise and second one is tiger. Then write down here tortoise. Tortoise and tiger. So these two animals name start with letter T. Now last question. We have to find out the animals name which are begin with letter S. So let's find. Yes, first one is squirrel and second one is snake. Write down here squirrel. SQUIRREL squirrel. And last one is snake. SNAKE. So students, these two animals name started with letter S. Squirrel and snake. Now students, we will solve next exercise, match the pair. Here we have to match the double letters with the given words. So we have to find out these double letters in these given words. So first double letters, which are first double letters? Double R. So where you can see double R? Yes, right. In this one, squirrel, you can see here double R. So we will match it. Squirrel. Okay. Now next one, double F. In which words you can see double F? Yes, right. In giraffe. So let's match it. Now next one is double E. So let's find where you can see double E. Yes, in deer you can see double E. Okay, you can see double E. Now last one is double T. In which word you can see double T? Yes, you can see in butterfly. So let's match it. Like this way we match the double letters with the given words. Now students, we will solve last exercise from this lesson. Here we have to find the small words hidden in the big words. Means you can see these big words are given here. From these big words we have to find out small words. So first word is peacock. Then which small words we can find out? Yes, first one is P-E-A-P. And last one is peacock. So we get these two small words from this big word. Now second one is elephant. So let's find. First one is ant. And second word is H-A-T, hat. H-A-T, hat. So we get these two small words from these big words, ant and hat. Now second one is fly. So write down here butter and second word is fly. Okay. Now fourth word is rabbit. So which two words we can find out? First one is B-I-T, beat, and second one is R-A-T, rat. B-I-T, beat, and second one is R-A-T, rat. Now last word, tortoise. So which two words we can find out? Yes, first one is T-I-E, tie, and second one is I-S-E. T-I-E, tie, and R-S-E is. So like this way we solve this exercise and we also completed our lesson. So students, I hope do you understood this lesson and all the exercises which are given in this lesson. Thank you.